Human races differ in physical and moral traits due to climate, lifestyle, and customs. Over time, as people adapted to their environments, these differences became more pronounced, much like how siblings raised in different places may develop distinct characteristics. Humankind did not emerge from a single location, but appeared at different times and in different regions. As people migrated and intermingled, new variations arose, shaping the diversity we see today. Yet, despite these differences, all humans belong to the same family. Just as various types of fruit still belong to the same species, humanity remains one. True unity goes beyond physical appearance. Though we may come from different backgrounds, we are all animated by the same spirit and share a common purpose. Spirits remind us that our differences do not divide us. At our core, we are all connected.